Do you feel stuck in an industry that pays you peanuts or watching AI eat away at your role? You're not alone. And guess what? Your workplace isn't your family. Companies will move on, so you need a plan B. In the next few minutes, I'll lay out a 6-month roadmap that will take you from feeling trapped to thriving in a higher paying, future-proof career. Why now is your moment. The world of work is in flux. Maybe you've hit a ceiling in salary, or your passions have run dry, or you're freaked out by automation headlines. Whatever your reason, sitting on your hands isn't an option. Those who treat their careers like a lifelong experiment, always learning, always pivoting, are the ones who win. If you're keen to move into that group of people, let's map out your 6-month playbook. Month number 1, research and reality check. First, get surgical about where you want to land. Pick 3 industries that excite you. Think cybersecurity, renewable energy, healthcare tech, or something else that's booming. Spend this month digging into 50 job ads across those fields. Note the skills, buzzwords, and the tools that the recruiters keep mentioning. Then look in the mirror. List your top 5 strengths. Maybe you're a project manager, a sales closer, or a storytelling whiz. See where they overlap in your target industry's wish list. You can also utilize ChatGPT for this part by asking ChatGPT to pinpoint where they overlap. That gap between what you've got and what they want becomes your upskilling roadmap. Months 2 to 3. Upskill with purpose. Now that you know your gaps, it's time to fill them, and fast. Sign up for one laser-focused micro course or certification each month using Udemy or LinkedIn Learning, etc. But here's where you can really stand out. Learn to wield AI tools as your secret weapon. Whether it's using ChatGPT for rapid research, deploying Zapier to automate workflows, or building a data dashboard in Power BI. Get hands-on. By week 8, you'll have a small project for each skill. A mock dashboard, an AI-powered marketing brief, whatever shows that you can do the job better and faster. Months 4 to 5. Network like a pro. Skills alone won't land you a new role. You need visibility. Rewrite your LinkedIn headline to highlight your new focus. For example, aspiring cybersecurity analyst, AI-driven risk automation fanatic. Then aim for 5 genuine connection requests a day to hiring managers, alumni, and industry insiders. Always reference something specific that you admire about their work. And every week, publish a 300-word post chronicling your pivot journey. Share a mini case study of how you used AI to solve a problem. You'll build credibility and become the name that recruiters remember. Month 6. Applications, interviews, and negotiation. The final stretch. Start firing off 10 tailored applications each week. Ditch the generic resume. Mirror the language and metrics that you uncovered in month 1. When you land interviews, come armed with AI leverage stories. Times you saved hours, uncovered insights, or boosted outcomes using an AI tool. That shows you're future ready. And when they ask about salary, frame it around market data and your newfound AI skill set. Confident negotiation can net you 10 to 20% more in salary. 6 months from now, you could be in a higher paying, future-proof career. No more playing it safe. If this provided you with any value, hit the like and subscribe button for more quick tips. Thanks, guys.